let me give you some more examples here. Let's say y equals 4x plus 5 over 7. Rearrange this to make x the subject. So so here but basically here because of this long line here, it's saying everything above it. So this whole thing here is stuck in the bubble. Let's kill off this 7 first, and then we would deal with the bubble afterwards. So so it's inside your mind times both sides by 7. So this would be this, and then you're just going to be left with the bubble. Okay, and now remember we are trying to make x the subject. So somehow we have to get x standing on its own. So x equals blah 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 blah. So here x is stuck in this bubble. So kill of this 5. So inside your mind, take away 5 from both sides. That would be take this down. Take away 5 equals 4x. Now divide both sides by 4 to get x on its own. So take the whole thing down, divided by 4, and this side would be x. So here you've got a new formula for x. So if you want to know what x is, put something into y, and then you can work out x. Okay? Here's another example. Let's say this one here. Y equals 6x minus 3 over 4a. So you visualize this as something like this. Because of this long line here, basically everything is saying do everything above it. So everything above it is stuck in a bubble. So here, who cares if it's 4a? It's basically a bubble here. And here you've got a bubble within a bubble here. Okay, so basically here, let's kill off this thing here, 4a. So inside your mind times both sides by 4a. You could write this y 4a, but it's neater to put the number in front. Okay, let me get rid of this. So inside your mind times both sides by 4a. So you have this 5ya, or it could be 4ay, or it could be ay4. Because 5 times 3 is times 2 is the same as 3 times 5 times 2. But basically, when you have things multiplied together, you can switch them around. It doesn't matter which order, because they're all going to multiply with each other anyway. But we prefer the number in front, so this looks neater. So when you're up here, times both sides by 4a, you will have this. And then on the right hand side, you will have this. And then remember, we are trying to make x the subject. So kill off this 3. So add 3 to both sides. Take this thing down. Add 3, and you're going to be left with 6x over here. And now divide both sides by 6. So take the whole thing down. Divided by 6 on this side, and here you've got a new formula. If you want to know what x is, you need to know y, you need to know a, and just put the numbers into y and a to work out x. Okay, let's give you this one here. Hang on, let me think. Okay, this one here, y equals 4a minus 3a squared plus 2x divided by 4c squared, 4c cubed. So, okay, here, who cares? This is just like this is an elephant here. This is a giraffe here. It's like yeah, it's a squared is a different entity from a. So you can imagine this as being an elephant, a giraffe, a hippo here. Who cares? You've got 4 hippos here. They're all different. Okay, you're trying to make x a subject here. Let me show you as an example. So because of this long divide line, everything above it exists in a bubble. Okay. So let's kill off this. And down here is the bubble down here. So kill off this bubble here. So inside your mind times both sides by 4c to the power 3. So on the on the left hand side it will be 4y c to the power 3. Or you could have this 4c cubed y. You could do this, but as long as the number's in front, that's the important thing. We always so basically we've got 4 lots of blah 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 whatever's in here. And then on the right hand side you have 4a minus 3a squared plus 2x. Remember, you're trying to make x a subject, so keep an eye on this bit here. Keep an eye on this here. Basically, now let's kill off we could kill off either of these. Let's kill off this one first because it's a minus. So inside your mind, add this whole thing to kill this thing off here. Add 3a squared. So take the whole lot there. Now take this whole thing down, 4yc to the power 3, add 3a squared, and then on this side you will have this, plus 2x, okay? And I'm going to move the equal sign over here. Now. And now inside your mind, well, basically you've got one bubble here, plus another bubble here. You're trying to make x a subject, so kill off this thing here. So inside your mind, take away 4a. So now take the whole thing down here. I'm going to take the whole thing down. So it's 4yc to the power 3 plus 3a squared. Now take away 4a on this side because when we're here we're taking away 4a from both sides. So on the right hand side you have 2x. Okay, and now divide both sides by 2 to get x on its own. So take the whole thing down. So it'd be 4yc to the power 3 plus 3a squared minus 4a. Divide the whole lot by 2, and that will give you x. So now we've got a new formula for x. Okay, I will give you more examples later on.